When do Miranda rights trigger? I'm Steve Kramer. I'm a Florida criminal attorney. And when we're talking about Miranda rights, you've heard them many times before. Every cop show on TV, when they arrest somebody, where they read them their rights. And one of those rights is the right to remain silent, or the right to an attorney. All right, and the situation that we're going to talk about here is where an individual is pulled over for a traffic citation. All right, they're pulled over for running a light or speeding or whatever. And the officer actually orders the driver out of the vehicle and starts asking some questions. And based on the answers, the officer actually conducts a search of the vehicle and finds drugs, and then arrests that person, and they wind up going to jail and get charged with possession of drugs. And the question is, was Miranda triggered? Was the officer required to read the driver his rights? And the answer is yes. When the officer started going beyond the simple traffic infraction and actually conducting a criminal investigation, the officer should have advised the driver of the driver's rights. And because the officer didn't do that, the officer violated the Constitution. The evidence was obtained illegally. And we have a doctrine called the fruit of the poisonous tree, which means the tree has sprung from an illegal search. And any fruit, any evidence derived from that illegal search is eliminated. It's what we call suppressed. And in that situation, the driver's charges are dismissed because of all of the evidence derived from the search and the investigation is inadmissible, means it can't be used against him. And the case goes away, charges are dismissed, and the driver goes on to live a great life. And I'm telling you this because I've seen this before. And you want to make sure that your criminal attorney turns every stone and files a motion to suppress if there's a basis to suppress the evidence against you. If you have any questions about this criminal case or any case, I'd be glad to sit down and talk with you. Pick up the phone. I'm Steve Kramer. Thanks for watching.